Good morning. This is Nalini, social scientist and psychologist. In today's topic, Light Up Your Life, we'll talk about suicide prevention. September 10th, decided as Suicide Prevention Day since 2003 by World Health Organization. Present day, we are getting more suicide deaths. In India, 2019, 139,000 deaths due to suicide recorded. More cases in cities. Males also more than females, ratio 4 is to 3. According to National Crime Record Bureau, World Mental Health Day, 381 per day average suicide deaths in India 2019. For every 40 seconds, one suicide. For every 1 hour, one student committing suicide. We got more value to the life. If we lose money, we can earn, but we will miss life we can't get back. Parents got so many dreams on their children. Even by giving birth, also, they took so much strain to plan their children's life. The medical department also, they are sacrificing their lives for the survival of the patient. Even patients are suffering so much pain for sickness for a long duration. Legally, it's not permitted to kill the person also. So we got that much value, such a valuable life we can't miss. Even some of the people they plan if they get any problem in their life, they will think suicide is the solution. In the previous days, suicide is a sin. Present, even some of the people they may plan if they get any family problem, employment problem, it may be a poverty, it may be a financial crisis, they will think that is the solution. Another one also, addiction of alcohol, drugs. Some of the situations make them to commit suicide. But if we have life, we can solve so many problems. If we take that one as a challenge, we may get dreams about the lives, we can get success. If we plan like that, there is no chance to think about suicide. Suicide is the act of intentionally causing one's own death. Nearly 1 million people committing suicide every year, 10 to 20 million attempting suicide annually. So the government is so serious planning of all these to stop suicides. Stop thinking in a negative way. You must develop I can. Remove the word I can't in your mind. Nobody loves me. Ignore it. Try to develop trust in yourself. I can. I like myself. I must be perfect. I should not lose my confidence levels. Like that, if you think, definitely you may get success. For every success, it starts with a failure. Sometimes failure teaches us good lesson. So we should not lose our confidence. We must develop in a positive way. So you must forget I can't word in your mind. While thinking about suicide prevention, if we refer to Abdul Kalam sir's words, accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. So, if we remember these words, we can develop confidence. You will see some of the words related to the suicide spelling. Yes means you are very superior in thinking. You must develop like that. Whatever the thoughts, you must analyze. Then you are very confident to get success. You umbrella can't stop the rain, but it make us stand in rain. These words told by Abdul Kalam sir. So it is protecting us. But whatever the thoughts you are getting in your life, you must analyze. Then you may develop that one, what is the right one to improve your skills. I means you are very intelligent. So that much capacity you got by analyzing, then it may be a depressing attitude. It gives some chance to think for right one. C means confidence may not bring success but give us power to face any challenge in life. These words also told by Abdul Kalam sir. So confidence may not bring success, but it gives power to face the challenge. Is there any problematic? It gives some strength. I can defeat this failure. So we can develop like that. I imagine you in a positive way. As a in a future days, this type of strain makes you to get success. So negative thoughts will destroy your confidence. So remove your negative thoughts. D, you can dominate by your thought process. So whatever the depressive thoughts makes you to think in a right way, give some strength, taking that one as a challenge, I can get success. It gives more knowledge, you can dominate others. Every failure give path to success. Pull up your strength to work hard, to get success, to get good future. Remove the negative thought of suicide. Some of the thoughts may disturb you, unable to get sleep, unable to take food, rest. In that moment, try to do physical exercises, yoga, meditation, whatever the process you like. It may be your hobbies, gardening, it may be spending time with us, pet dogs. Then, whom do you like? You must spend time with them. It gives some change in your life. So, try to avoid being alone to disturbs you with the negative thoughts. Another one also, if we follow in a proper way, we can come back from the severe situation. What are the thoughts disturbs you in your life? Another one also, we have to think a right path will take into right destination. The wrong path will teach us about the right destination. Dump your negative thoughts, not to repeat. Wait and see, so that patience gives you some knowledge. What is the right one? Modify your thoughts, calculating equality on both success and failure. Visualize the positive thoughts to strengthen for creativity towards the success. Don't disappoint. Engage your mind to read some articles. It may be some of the role models. It gives some strength to develop your confidence. Avoid the negative thoughts. Analyze it. Create new ideas. Start new life. It gives more energy to work hard. These are the positive thoughts to get chance to lead happy life. In that way, we can prevent suicide thoughts. If you have any doubt, my website address http colon slash slash nalinipilluru psychologist.com. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.